As a Java developer, we always talk about Java bin location setup on path environment variable immediately after the installation. But did we ever realize why we need that setup? Hi, this is Arun from Random Codes. In this video, let's take a look at why we need to include Java bin location on path environment variable. Before we get into the details, let's take a look at some of the Windows applications like Notepad and Calculator, which can be opened from any location on Windows. How is that happening? That is because the locations of the executable files for Notepad and Calculator applications are already included on path variable by default, where the notepad.exe file is available on Windows system root and calc.exe is available on system32 folder on Windows root. These locations are already included on path variable, which makes it easy for us to invoke these applications from anywhere on the operating system. In the similar fashion, once the Java is installed, we get a bunch of executable files inside the bin folder. That includes Java compiler for compilation, JVM for execution, and few others. We need to get into the bin folder every time we need to invoke them, as they reside inside the bin folder. And if we try to execute Java commands outside the bin folder, the system gives us an error message. The only solution to avoid this is by including the bin folder location and path variable, which makes the compiler and JVM available all through the operating system. By doing this, we can run the Java commands from anywhere on the operating system. With this being said, let me show you how we can verify all these things on my machine. First, let's start with notepad.exe. Uh, Go to C drive and we have Windows folder here, and we have this notepad.exe on this Windows folder. And similarly, if we go into this system32, we have this calc.exe, which is for calculator. So notepad.exe is within this Windows folder and calc.exe is within this system32 folder. Now let's open our environment variables. So here, if you open this path variable, we already have these two locations already included on our path variable. So system root is nothing but Windows. So this becomes Windows/system32. It means the location of both notepad.exe and calc.exe are already set on our path variable. So as these two are already set on our path variable, we can easily access them from any location because those locations are available across the operating system. I can simply give notepad to invoke the notepad, and I can also give calc to invoke the calculator, because the paths of these executable files are actually available across the operating system. In the similar fashion, if you look at the location of our JDK that we installed, so let me find out the location. It's on program files, Java, JDK 16.0.2 and bin folder. So this is the folder where we have all the executable files for Java. So if you look at the list, we have this javac.exe, which is a compiler. Java.exe is a JVM, which is used to run our programs, Java programs. So this location, the Java bin location, is not there on our environment path variable. Let me open this path variable. If you look at the list here, it's not there. So when it is not there, and if we try to run this Java commands, any command, let's say java-version. So if I am outside that bin folder, we will not be able to run all these Java commands because they are not available across the operating system. If I try to execute the same command within our bin folder, then we should be able to execute it. Let me open the bin folder, close this, let me close this window, and from this location let me open the command prompt. So now I am on this bin location. So if I run this java -version, I should be able to successfully run it. So it has given me the version. Got it, right? So as the executables are within this bin location, I should be able to execute it, but these are not available outside the bin location, because these, I mean, the path of this bin folder is not set on the our environment path variable. Now let's set the path and see if we can run these Java commands outside the bin folder. So let me take this path, open my environment properties, add a new value. Now we have set the path variable. I mean, we have included our bin path to the path variable. Now let's open the command prompt again. Now I am not on the bin folder, but I am outside. I mean, I am on a different location. Now I'll try to run this java command, java -version. Now it has successfully returned the details. Earlier, when the bin path is not set up on the path variable, all these executables are not available across the operating system. But now it is available across the operating system, not just the bin folder. That's all for now. I hope this video is useful. Let us know your feedback and suggestions in the comment section. If you like the content, feel free to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on another video with a different topic. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.